Hello everyone, Joe from Porty Music School here with a different instrument. So, little quick lesson for you on guitar. Just an introduction to blues, 12-bar blues, 101, as simple as possible. We're just going to do the first section of it. So we are going to look at blues in E, which is in the key of E. Now, we won't worry about keys today, but all you need to know is it's going to sound like this. Sounds alright, doesn't it? Cool. So, quick introduction. Finger 1, finger 2, finger 3, finger 4. Now, if you play piano, it's not that. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But we're not guitarists, so for today it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're going to take your first finger. You're going to place it on the second fret of the second string, which is the A string. So this is the note B. This one here. You see it? Lovely. Then you're going to take your third finger, this one, and you're going to place it on the fourth fret of the same string, which is a C sharp. And then you're going to take your pinky and you're going to place it on the fifth fret, which is the D. Now you're only going to play one of these notes at a time. Now if I play this string just on its own, it's going to sound like this. You'll notice I'm leaving my fingers on, it's just to make it easier. You can take them off completely if you'd like, but it's a bit of a pain. There's a lot going on there. It's a lot of exercise. I don't want any of that, right? So, first finger, second fret, third finger, fourth fret, fourth finger, fifth fret. Now, you're going to play the top two strings. And that's what gives it its bluesy sound. Now, the rhythm is like a galloping horse. Not like someone walking. So you can do it like that. It's very dire straits, but today we're not going to do that. We're going to be doing Deep South Blues. Lovely. Now, how does it work? Your first finger on this one is going to play. Then your third finger is going to take over. Then you go backwards and forwards between those a couple of times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So on that beat 4, your pinky's going to come in, save the day, and then you're going to go back to your third finger and you're going to go back to your first. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3.